Hello, welcome back. We got Hoss here. Okay, to show you all what I've been doing. I'm getting this go-kart ready to weld. Yes, today I'm gonna weld this time. I'm ready for it. Got it all ready. Okay, I'll show you. Okay, you see? Got it ready. Steering wheel, seat. See, putting this on there. Oh, right there for, I don't know, cup holder, I reckon, or something. This is parts that go on the side, you know. And this is the steering wheel, of course. The exhaust, and gas and brake pedal. Okay, see if I can't make this stuff. What y'all think? Hope that's all right. Hey, see what I gotta do here first. See what I'm gonna do here first. I think I'll put this on first. I just think that should go on first. Use that just a second. So I can rough it up a little bit. Get her on there, just sticky, but I can. There it is. Okay. Now I want y'all to know, I know I said it before, but I got a helmet for welding, but something's wrong with it. It's not working right, so I gotta get me another one. But I just checked on them, 100 to, I don't know, up to 200 it can be. It's crazy. So I gotta wait till one gets on marketplace. I can't afford no $150 or 100. Hey, let's see if I can do this. Got her. Hey. Let's see. Maybe I can put that seat on right now too. These will go on afterwards. Let's see. Oh. I'm going to do that after I put this on. There we go. I think that'll work. That'll look cool. Okay. Oops. I'm gonna knock the camera over. Gotta be careful, this sucker's hot. Got it. Okay, I'll turn around to the other one. Can y'all still see it? Oops. Dagnabbit, I gotta try to figure out this daggum cut. Oh, you see that thing move? I think it was driving itself there for a second, wasn't it? Okay, now I gotta do this one. There we go. Shit. There we go. I turned that up a little bit. Seems like it's. And the reason you turn them up and down is what it does is the speed of it. That looks good. Get a dab right here. There we go. Dabba-dabba-doo. I see you. That looks good. That looks good. There you go. See if I can touch it. Oh no. That's still, it's pretty hot. There you go. A little bit. Oh, wait a minute. Come apart. Uh-oh. Oh well. I'll get back on this horse and do it again, I reckon, huh? Don't know why I did that. Thought I had it. There go thinking, huh? Now let's see if that'll work. One more dab. Dabba-dabba-doo. I got, if that don't work, something wrong. At least I got this thing working good, I reckon. Hey, dabba-dabba-doo, I believe that'll work. Okay. Whew. Uh-oh. Whoa, sucker's so warm. Okay, of course I gotta clean it up. Y'all can see this. Getting her there. Yeah, gotta do some cleaning, but once I get her cleaned up, it should look pretty good. Pretty good. That off there. Just don't want to touch a sucker, I know that. If y'all are... Uh-oh. It looks like I burned it a little bit. Oh, that's alright. Looks like it's chain coming this way, right? Ooh, this way, see? That'll work. Okay. I gotta get this on. Not right now, though. Sucker's too hot still. Gonna get the exhaust on. Uh-oh. Get these gas pedals on. Get the gas pedals and brake on. If I can find it. Uh-oh, got one missing. Don't need that. There's a seed, of course. Oops. Only goes this way. Huh. I'll see how there are. Okay, well, that's really all I can do for now until she cools down. Whew, don't want to touch that sucker. It's what you'd call dangerous. Right? I call it dangerous unless you want to burn yourself real good. Go for it. It's your choice, but I choose not to. Yeah, I've already done enough burning. I already hurt myself enough every day. What do you think? It's getting there. Like I said, I gotta do a lot of cleaning on it. You know? Once I brush it out and clean it up, tell you what, should look pretty good. Pretty good. Okay. Put the exhaust on there. That'll help it. Okay. Thanks for coming back. Oh, don't need these now. Thanks for coming back. Hope you all watch this and maybe learn something. And if not, well, I'm learning something myself. I hope to teach y'all something, you know. Hope this inspires y'all. Because like I said, this stuff ain't cost me a whole lot, you know, my little shop. And it's not very big, you know. That's one of the problems I'm having with this camera. Is it just ain't very big and I can't take it, you know. I don't know. I'm still figuring this out. But yeah. So I hope I can teach someone something here. And like I said, I'm learning myself. I ain't never made nothing like this, you know. Not go-kart, I made a trike, 2 dogs, and a mini bike. That was a year and a half or so ago, at least, maybe 2 years. So this one first I've done in over a year. I know that, maybe 2 years. It's coming along. So hope y'all enjoy it. Rock on. Peace out.